LCX coverage. Yes. All right. So it says
Right.
facts, right? LCX is the most regulated exchange worldwide. And the key things here is why are people mentioning this? Well, because of the whole thing with the SEC. And let's face it, for all the people that are flooding LCX as we speak, stating, I don't want to get into LCX because of the whole thing with the SEC. Okay. So just hear me out. I can understand the debate, but you're going to tell me you're not going to recognize some of the prices that have basically occurred, even with this whole thing of the SEC looming down on them, right? And we've already seen that this thing is pumped pretty nicely as of late before we officially stated, oh, we're in a bull run. Now, check this out. LCX is the only platform globally who can host a token sale on behalf of projects in a fully compliant manner. Again, trying to make that case that get the heck off of our back, SEC. We are more than compliant. We are the definition of exchange compliance or compliancy. LCX achieved 9 licenses. We did point this out. 9 licenses of the most sophisticated blockchain law in the world. But yeah, it's basically, it's achieved 9 licenses of the most sophisticated blockchain law in is Koshop would say the world. All right, look at this. I guess I will do it in a Klaus Schwab voice. LCX Liechtenstein Exchange joins the World Economic Forum, the WEF, Center for the Fourth Industrial Revolution. On top of that, LCX Liechtenstein Exchange will be operational in the future, even when other exchanges get closed down because of the stronger regulations.
Oh, boy.
On top of that, Larry, LCX, a blockchain bank for the new financial world. LCX's goal is to become one of the world's first licensed and supervised blockchain banks, seamlessly blending traditional and crypto assets. LCX will be offering a new generation digital asset exchange, a security token exchange, crypto asset financial products and services. Liechtenstein Exchange is focused on helping both traditional and blockchain market participants make the most of opportunities arising from the growth of cryptocurrencies and tokenized assets. The LCX, aka Liechtenstein, was founded in 2018 and is based in Vaduz. Liechtenstein LCX is building the infrastructure to power the professional crypto finance. Back to you, Larry. Alvitasen.
When we get our website going at some point, hopefully soon, it's being worked on. We've got to have in that merch section just a shirt that says Liechtenstein. That's it. And you have to wear it on camera.
I do. I need to get a quant hat. Some people say that. Quant hat, Liechtenstein Exchange. Yep. And then for next Halloween, I'm going to get a Klaus Schwab mask to go with the whole thing.
Oh, my God. That would be over the top. Then I could say, I got Klaus Schwab on here.
The Liechtenstein Exchange. The big fish is diving in for Liechtenstein Exchange. Huge things ahead, folks. This is just a beginning. LCX, Quant, CBDCs, crypto, innovation, the Bitcoin, LCX coverage. Again, the Liechtenstein, the big fish is diving in for Liechtenstein Exchange. Huge things ahead, folks. This is just a beginning. LCX, Quant, CBDCs, crypto, innovation, the Bitcoin, Ethereum, into the weekend. Let's listen to this. This is only 7 seconds, and then we'll be right back. You will jump into a cannon. You will fly out, and you will be happy. All right. Let's get into a little bit more in regards to all this.
Nothing.
Yeah, you owe nothing. I don't know. All right. So this is something that was brought up quite a bit. Let's face it. Here it is. So we already talked about, for instance, LCX at a Crow, or I should say at a BNB, right? Binance market cap. And I've stated for the record, I don't think we get to BNB market cap. I also got to be a little bit, I'm a dreamer, let's face it, but I also got to be real about stuff. But could we get at a Crow market cap? Possibly. Anyway, so here it is. And this is basically, Liechtenstein at A. And you see, for instance, B is just that, crypto.com's CRO, right? Look at that. That sounds very appealing. And that's
I love the comparison. Yeah, I love the comparison. Yep,
that's a 30x basically. So, I mean, it's nice to mention some of these things. Some people may not be with this. Oh, Max, you're being contradictory to what you mentioned before. You mentioned that, Crow would bypass, Binance. So what you're saying just doesn't make any sense. I'm out of here. Well, that's a good point too.
I also said that too a while back. I also thought that Crow would pass Binance, which I still think it might. But I said it would take a couple of years. But yeah, I'm in the camp too.
It's all right.